Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And today I am making an Origami Mandarin board. Let's start it. First of all, take a square paper, fold it horizontally, crease it well, then open it up. Repeat the same process upward. After that, we crease it diagonally. Then fold it in a kite shape like this. Rotate the paper, then take the tip of the paper and fold it to the bottom. Open it up, turn it around. Open the whole paper and you will get a nice square shape in the center of the paper. Then crease it well to make a sharp square in the center. Then take the paper like this and make a well between this. Place the paper on the board. Then again take the tip of the paper and fold it to the bottom. Crease it well and fold it from one side to make the wings of the bird. Open it up and fold it on the upper crease of the paper. Fold it down and there are the wings. Repeat the same process on the other side of the paper to make the wings. Now we have the both wings. Take the tip of the paper, push it down, fold it up along the crease, then open it up and fold it inwards. Repeat the same process on the other side. Take the center and the single tip of the tail. Now it's time to make the head of the bird. Fold it like this and just make the head. Crease it well. Open it up and push it down. Then you will get a nice head. Fold it like this. Crease it well. Repeat on the other side. Make a nice and clean beak of the bird. Then open the folded paper, inner side of the bird. Then fold the corners a little bit to give a rounded curve. The mandarin bird is ready. Hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.